Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to measure the temperature on your Huawei Watch GT 3. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. On your watch go to all apps and here we have the temperature icon. Just press on this. And now let's read: for better results, fasten and strap security and wear the device for at least 10 minutes before measuring. Okay. And for better results, make sure the watch isn't covered and measure indoors away from any wind, heat or cooling sources. And now you can enable continuous skin temperature measurement in the Health app. I will do it later. Now just press measure. And now measuring. And my body heat is 43.3 Celsius degree. Let's do it again. And it's the same. And if you enable automatic measurement in Huawei Health, you will see here on your watch what was the temperature before. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.